Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So Born Pretty sent me over some polishes to feature on my channel, so thank you to Born Pretty. The first color is milky jelly gel, which is, of course, is a milky white, and of course I have the swatch stick because again I like to put my swatch sticks up to get into my skin tone to see how the color would look. The second color is a jelly nude, number 49. This is a sheer black. I think that would look good with maybe some lace foil, black foil on top, so I do want to do a video with that look. The next one is 𝑐G101, which is a glitter, really pretty, like holographic glitter. And there's a total of 5 colors that I picked out. The next one is a cat magnetic gel, 56383, and I have that over a black. You could see the cat eye effect. I'm just showing you on the swatch. Again, I polished black gel polish, and then I applied the cat magnetic gel. The second one is cat magnetic gel 56654-7. This one gave me every bit of outer space vibes. I loved this color, and so with the swatch stick, of course, that's over black. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this mani. I do have on one coat of Peel Off base coat on top of my builder gel. I do have on Born Pretty's base coat and cured for 60 seconds, and I'm going in with Born Pretty's black gel polish, because if you want the effect to really stand out with the cat magnetic gel that I decided to use, you do want to do this on a black base. I could have done a solid blue gel or whatever the case may be, but here I decided to use black. And I did purchase this Born Pretty gel polish off of Amazon, because they do have a Amazon storefront along with a website. With the website, I do have a discount code, it's an affiliate discount code that you can use if you shop via the website, and I'll have that in the description box below. And so I'm just applying a thin coat of black and using a cleanup brush and alcohol to clean up any excess gel polish on my skin. And these polishes are a 60-second cure in an LED lamp. And of course, I don't show all nails on camera because it is black. It is what it is. And so these are all 5 nails with black and one coat of black. Let me be specific, one coat of black. And now I'm going in with that cat magnetic gel, which is the blue. So on my pointer finger, I'm applying the gel polish, and I'm trying to get an even layer. So as soon as I put it on, I was like, this is so pretty to me, like really pretty. I guess because it's blue, my favorite color, plus it had the sparkle in it, and it just gave me all of the galaxy vibes. Like I'm looking in outer space with the stars and everything. And so I'm just using the magnet to get the effect that I want. You just kind of have to play around with it to get the look that you're going for. And for whatever reason, I wasn't feeling this effect, whatever the effect may be. And so I wiped it off and did it a second time. Now, why did I do that? I don't know. So then I reapplied it because I did not cure. So I reapplied it, and I'm going in. I was like, oh, it's not giving me what I wanted it to give. Like, I've used magnetic gel polishes before. And again, I was tripping because I should have just left well enough alone. So as I mentioned, I did wipe it off, and I'm going in with another layer. So again, if you don't cure it, you're fine. And when you're using cat magnetic gels, I would recommend doing either one nail at a time and doing a flash cure, or either doing 2 nails at a time and then flash curing, and then giving your nails a full 60-second or 30-second cure, depending upon what gel polish brand you're using. And so I'm just doing the magnet again. I can see the magnetic effect, but some nails turned out better than others. And so I only show 2 nails on camera because every nail is going to have that cat magnetic effect. And so I'm just doing that to my middle nail. And once I get that effect, I will, again, flash cure through the rest of the nails, flash cure, and then do a full 60-second cure on all nails. Okay, these are all 5 nails. I think my pinky, my ring finger, and my thumb was like the best. So I decided to go in with the second coat. So I'm just repeating that process, doing the second coat on all nails. And you can do as many coats as you want. But again, the more polish you add to the nails, the bulkier they may or could potentially become. And so once I do the second coat on all nails, again, I'm going to flash cure in between each nail and then do a full 60-second cure once I get all of the nails done. So coming up are all 5 nails cured. I did not top coat at this point. Again, this was giving me Galaxy vibes, and so I'm going in with an alcohol wipe and just removing that inhibition layer from all nails. From curing, that's the gel that didn't cure. I'm just wiping that off because I'm going to go in with some nail stamping, and I don't want to get any of that gel on my stamper head. And so I'm going in with a Maniology stamping plate that I received quite some time ago from a Maniology subscription box, and I am also an affiliate of Maniology. I'll have that discount code in the box down below as well. And so I'm going in and I wanted to stamp constellations on my nail because I was like, why not? Where these nails are giving me a Galaxy vibe, why not stamp some constellations on my nail? And so I stamped that on my index finger and my ring finger, and then I'm going in because my birthday is in June. I am a Gemini, and so I have this 2 plates out of that same subscription box. I'm going in with the Gemini and stamping that on my middle finger, and then I'm going to go in and top coat my nails because why not? I didn't want to do a bright white, and so that frosted color from Maniology I thought went perfect with that. And so once I clean up any excess polish on my skin, I'm going to go in and apply Born Pretty's super, well actually let me take that back, 6-in-1 nail glue, because I have these like rhinestones that are kind of cosmic like rhinestones, and I'm applying that 6-in-1 nail glue to my thumbnail, followed by Born Pretty super top coat, and I'm going to apply some rhinestones to my thumbnail and my pinky, and then I'm going to cure my nails for a full 60 seconds. Look at that thumbnail, that's pretty to me. And I'm sorry y'all, I got out of frame a little bit. So the rhinestones blended a little too well because you can't really see them. They matched the color perfectly. And so I'm just going in and applying that Born Pretty super top coat on the rest of my nails, and then I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So here is the finished look. Nails nice and shiny after curing. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free 99. And so I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.